Hello coders. So in our last video, we discussed about the arithmetic operators, and in this video, we are going to explore the assignment operators. Your one like equals to one boost of motivation for me to create more awesome tech videos. So when is assignment operator used? Assignment operators are used when you want to assign the value to the variable. So the very first example is like here we have been using the assignment operator from the very beginning of our tutorial. So when you do number equal to 3, then it gets assigned the right side value to the variable. So this is called assignment operator. So the first example is number equal to 3. So let me just copy this one. Sorry. So the very first example is equal to operator. So let me just copy this and paste it here. So this is the example of equal to. So you just assign the value on the right on your left variable. So this is called assignment operator, and this is the equal to operator. We can use assignment operators combined with arithmetic operator to change the same variable value. Now let me show you an example. So here number equal to 3. Now if you just want to change the number itself, so what you can do is like you can use the assignment of plus equal to, and let's say it's a 3, and we have a print statement on the last. So just run the program and see the result. You can see number is 6. Now number has been changed to number plus equal to 3, and the number is 6. Now we know that number is 6. Now let's try to perform another action on the number itself. Let's say I'm going to do the subtraction of 5. So run the program and see we are changing the same variable. Okay, you can see like using the assignment operator, we are changing the same variable. We are reassigning the values to the variable. So here you can see like we are getting the value number equal to 1. So what it is doing, like it is performing when you are doing the assignment operator like this, then inside it is doing something like number, then it's just getting the left side value, that means number, and minus then the value that we are defining on the right. So when you are doing this, the number was 6, and 6 minus 5 equal to 1 is the answer. So this is the logic behind the assignment operators. Now let's try with other also. Let me just comment that out. So if you do number with division assignment operator, then you will get, let's say it's 2. Okay, so number division by 2, the value should be 2.5. we know that, and you can see number is 0.5. Why? Sorry, I told you 2.5 because I thought number was 5, but the number value was 1. So we have subtracted the 5 from 6, so we get number 1. And so when we perform the division operator, then the value will be 0.1. Now let's perform the multiplication operator. Okay, so number, we know the value of number is 0.5. So let's do the 10. That means the value should be 5. And you can see like number asterisk obliquely, that means number equal to number asterisk 10, which means 0.5 into 10. So the value is 5. Now we can perform the exponential operator also on this number. You can perform any arithmetic operator here. Okay, so you even you can perform the modulus operator, even you can perform, let's say, floor division operator and all. So if I do the 2, then 5 square, the value should be 25, and you can see the value is 25. Now let's try the last one, the modulus operator. So number modulus equal to, what I'm going to do is like I'm going to do the 11. So the value should be 3. Let's see if that will be the case or not. So the value is 3. So guys, this is the assignment operator in Python. I hope you understand the assignment operator. So in our next video, we are going to understand about the comparison operator in Python, which are really useful in daily use cases. So by then, bye bye, and see you in the next chapter.